Building the best global engineering team. How you guys doing? I'm Yuichi Murata. In this YouTube channel, I am publishing the idea related to the management in the perspective of the engineers. I appreciate if you press the subscription button if you have any interest. So today, I would like to talk about the skill more important than problem resolution skill. When I was a kid, one of my difficult subject was mathematics. Actually, I was really not good at resolving the equation. When I was a kid, I believe that what smart kid does is be able to resolve the difficult equation. But I was wrong. Actually, because of this my belief, I was trying to jumping into the kind of difficult equation to resolve that, and then I am kind of trying to skip some of the processes because it looks like smart, but I was completely wrong. After what I kind of observed, the real kind of smart kids who is very good at mathematics was actually before resolving the difficult equation, they change the equation simple so that they actually can easily resolve that, and they never skip the process so that they don't make any careless mistakes. Simplification skill, that is actually much more important than problem resolution skill, because our objective is resolving the problem, not resolving the difficult problem. So if you can simplify the problem at the first place, you actually don't have to resolve difficult problem. This is same as the engineering problem. So actually very high skill kind of engineering talents have the tendency to try resolving the very challenging, difficult technical problem because that is interesting, exciting challenge. But our goal is not resolving the difficult kind of technical challenge. Our goal is resolving the business problem. So actual real smart architects or engineer do not take that approach. They sit with they have that kind of meeting with the kind of stakeholder. They try to simplify the problem at the first place so that they actually don't have to implement very complicated information systems so that we can easily resolve the problem, right? So maybe you might notice that you don't have to even develop the system, right? Our goal is resolving the business problem, not resolving the technical challenges. That's how real smart guys taking the approach. This is same as the communication. When you kind of communicating the people, it's quite important to make your logic words simplified before you state it. Especially this is important in multilingual environment, assuming that you're gonna be need to communicate in a non mother language to communicate to your peers. Then your capability for the communication naturally limited. You have a limited vocabulary, you have a limited skill at the first place. Then what is very important is simplify what you have to say. If you can simplify the kind of logic, if you can simplify the vocabulary to communicate, then actually you don't need a very kind of high-level communication skill or tons of the vocabulary, because what you have to explain, what you have to convince is very simple. So this is also kind of same as the documentation. Some of the kind of great companies like Amazon or Toyota have their own rule for the documentation. They have the limited numbers of the pages to write the documentations. So in Amazon, I think that's gonna be the 2 pages to the 6 pages. In Toyota, I think that we have only 1 paper to make a communications. Simplification. is such a kind of powerful kind of mechanism to drive such kind of a great companies. So when you are kind of enhancing your skill in your business, I think maybe you want to enhance simplification skill rather than the problem resolution skill, so that you actually don't have to resolve difficult problem at the first place. That's gonna be all the topic for today. Appreciate if you can subscribe this YouTube channel, as well as follow my kind of Twitter or LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.